India is a land of many languages and cultures. Let's see how our friends from different states say a simple word welcome. My name is Sanvay Naik. I am from 4th A section. My name is Gurudeep. I am from 4th A section.
We are welcoming you all Punjabi style. सत श्री अकाल दुआदा जी आया nun स्वागत है.
My name is Tejas DP. I am from 4th A.
My name is Sandhya. I am from 4th A.
We are welcoming you all Rajasthani style. कामगानी मेरा घर आपको हार्दिक स्वागत है.
My name is Hemant. I am from 4th A section.
My name is Susha. I am from 4th A section.
Now we welcoming you in Kerala style. Namaskar. Ningalku Hridayam Niranjanagatam. My name is Unnati CS. I am from grade 4th A section.
My name is Akhilesh. I am from 4th A section.
We are welcoming you all from Tamilian style. வணக்கம் உங்கள் வரவேற்பு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ.
My name is Sanika. I am from 4th A section.
My name is Mohit. I am from 4th A section.
We are welcoming you all Uttar Pradesh style. नमस्ते नमस्कार आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Danvi. I am from 4th A section. I am Shayan from 4th A section.
We are welcoming you all in Bengali style. नमस्कार आपका स्वागत है.
ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ?
My name is Priya, 4th A section. My name is Sayamshi. I am studying in 4th A section.
We are welcoming you all Maharashtrian style. नमस्कार, तुमचा स्वागत है.
My name is Tanushree. I am from 4th A section. I am welcoming in Kannadiga style. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. From every corner of our land, different states shine with their own colors, making our country a vibrant and masterpiece.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.